Are you tired of starting your day feeling rushed, grabbing something boring, or worse, skipping breakfast altogether? We're always told that breakfast is the most important meal of the day, but let's be real, who has the time? What if I told you that in just a few minutes, you could make a breakfast that not only tastes amazing but also keeps you full, energized, and helps you reach your fitness goals? Stick around, because I'm about to share 5 game-changing, high-protein breakfast recipes that will completely transform your mornings. Let's kick things off with something that feels like a weekend treat: high-protein French toast. Now, this isn't your average French toast. To really boost the protein, we're going to make a special custard. Instead of just a whole egg and milk, we'll blend up egg whites, a little bit of milk, some Greek yogurt for creaminess, a scoop of your favorite protein powder, and a dash of cinnamon. Just soak some hearty, sprouted grain bread in that mixture and cook it on a pan until it's golden brown. Each serving has a whopping 26 grams of protein, and if you top it with a little more Greek yogurt, you're looking at over 30 grams to start your day. It's absolutely incredible. Next up, for those busy mornings, is my secretly healthy chocolate protein smoothie. This tastes like a decadent chocolate milkshake, but it's packed with nutrients. The base is simple: unsweetened almond milk, a handful of baby spinach, I promise you won't taste it, a scoop of chocolate protein powder, some cocoa powder for that rich chocolate flavor, half a frozen banana, and a scoop of almond butter. But here's the secret ingredient: frozen cauliflower. It makes the smoothie thick and creamy without adding any weird taste. Blend it all up, and you have a perfect on-the-go breakfast with over 30 grams of protein. Recipe number 3 is a lifesaver for meal prep: a cottage cheese and veggie egg bake. This is one of my most popular recipes for a reason. Simply sauté your favorite veggies. I love using onions, mushrooms, and spinach. While those are cooking, you'll whisk together whole eggs and cottage cheese. The cottage cheese is the secret here. It adds a ton of protein and makes the bake so creamy and delicious. Add some simple seasonings like garlic powder and onion powder, then pour that egg mixture over your cooked veggies in a baking dish. Top it with some feta cheese and bake for about 30 minutes. You can slice it up and have breakfast ready for the entire week. One serving gives you 21 grams of protein. Alright, if you think oatmeal is just a sweet breakfast, let me introduce you to my game-changing savory oatmeal. This is one of those high-protein breakfast ideas that aren't eggs, but it actually uses them in a completely new way. Instead of cooking your oats in water or milk, use chicken broth for a savory flavor base. Once the oats are almost cooked, you'll stir in some egg whites. This makes the oatmeal incredibly fluffy and creamy and adds a huge protein boost. Then, I like to finish it with a little soy sauce for that savory umami flavor. Top it with a soft-boiled egg, some crumbled turkey bacon, and sliced green onions. This bowl is so satisfying and packs in 40 grams of protein. Last but not least, we can't have a breakfast video without pancakes. Here are my 5-ingredient cottage cheese protein pancakes. This is probably the easiest pancake recipe you will ever make. You just throw everything into a blender: rolled oats, cottage cheese, egg whites, a little baking powder, and a splash of vanilla. Blend until it's smooth, and you've got your batter. These pancakes are so light and fluffy, and they're packed with 30 grams of protein per serving. Top them with fresh berries and a little maple syrup, and you have a breakfast that feels indulgent but is actually fueling your body for the day ahead. So there you have it, 5 simple, delicious, and protein-packed breakfast ideas to help you on your wellness journey.